Wow, huge bounce in gold.
Not liking this weakness. Getting way too weak here. Probably stops me out. I'm gonna have to re-enter soon. Yeah. Unfort. I did not like that move one bit. It was promising. Had a double MB here, but it failed. Now we have this. Kind of digging back into accumulation, but still not the worst for a possible re-entry soon. Oh, now I know why it sounds like it's loud. It's because the other Sherm is on. That's weird. Could still look for a short here soon, but nothing as of yet. Not really looking for longs at the moment, given this artificial move because of a news press release. I don't think it's true. Gut says we probably drop right now soon. Drop below here, set up another MB, could take an entry to there with one meanie. Targeting like what, 1,200? Yeah, that should be targeting something along the lines of this. Entry through here, stop right there. No, not yet. I have to stop here soon. I cannot enter if it just keeps on moving like that. I don't like that. Well, I do like it, but I don't like it. But it's valid, which is a problem. It definitely wipes this out, in my opinion. I don't have doubts in that. I just have doubts in this right now. I could take this in theory. Yeah. That. Find the stop. That's good. Now this trade goes. It's not the worst probability trade, but it's also not the best looking trade, which is a bit iffy for me. Not liking that. It wants to weaken, but it just can't find it yet. Which is not for me. What the fuck did I click? Oh. If we could start breaking down from here, that'd be nice. Yo. What's up, Tay? Currently in a trade right here, just waiting on it. I don't mind this, I just don't like the way it's failing to find a weakness. Especially with price action that just looks like this. It's just a double MB. That's all it is. I mean, take your best guess on why I took it. I'll show you the 1 minute. I'll show you the whole picture. Here's the 1 minute. 5 minute. 1 hour. 15 second. Yep, there was indeed a flush. Yep. Plus, this was just a news candle, and I don't believe in news candles, so I still view price as this, not this. Yeah, kind of. But anticipating a higher low technically means you're bullish. I'm short, I'm not bullish, so I'm bearish. Yeah. No, it's just so sidelined right now. Nothing will probably happen until NY. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out right here. Unfortunate. Yeah, no worries, I get you. But this might be a loss right here. If it is, that's unfortunate, but oh well. I believe in the trade. I just want to see it gain weakness here. No, it's the second trade. It is the second trade of the day. I'm down 1 hour right now. Yeah, I'm just only down 1 hour for today, for now. I'm just not liking this action right here. It's so sidelined. NY is about to launch soon and we might get stopped out. Look at gold, by the way. Wow, solid moves. Ooh, yeah, I got stopped. Minus 2R for the day so far. Very annoying, but nothing I can do about that. My man, if you think 15-second trades are long as fuck, you are impatient as hell. You are hella fucking impatient if you think 15 seconds is long. Like, this is not long, my dude. You are just impatient. I don't know what else to tell you. Because that shit was not long by any means. That's not how it works, dude. You are severely mistaken on how things work in the seconds. In like the most perfect conditions maybe, but not really just like that. How much comms are those stops? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, dude. It's irrelevant. Like, in the nicest way possible, it's just irrelevant. I don't know. It's not enough for me to notice. Dollars? Like, I told you before, dude, it's dollars. It hasn't changed. It's not like Forex. On the 2 trades I took today, I paid $11 in fees. To see this flush better. Looks like it wants to though. I know it won't fire in time. Yeah, I'm chill with this. Could refine this soon. I just want to find a better stop. There. I've been up all night, by the way, dude, so if I just sound tired, it's because I have not slept. I've been up the entire fucking night. Random fucking... It's just trading view being stupid right here, the candle bug. If it can break these lows, it'll start to tumble. But it needs to do a good candle close lower, not like a wick. It needs to candle close lower and it'll start tumbling. That's not the candle close lower I was looking for. It just wicked. It might continue lower still, but that is very ugly. Also, when you say that you thought things would be a lot faster, you need to remember, we're still not in New York session. New York session hasn't started yet. This is pre-New York. We're technically still in London until for another 5 minutes. That's nice. If we can get a candle close lower. Just below candle body close lower. That's not a candle body close lower. I need to see a better rejection than that. Welcome back. We're not in New York session yet, by the way. When you said you thought things would go a lot faster, we're not even in New York session yet. We're technically still in London. New York does not start for another 4 minutes. You were tripping? Gotcha. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this price action one bit. I'm just gonna tighten the stop. I can't break even because there's no good break even spot. Price hasn't moved in a way that allows me to break even, so I just gotta hold it for now. Like this price action. It's horrid. Hopefully New York just sends it lower, but I do want to see this drop so I can break even at the least. Yeah, like that. Just continue it. Fuck. Nice. Continue lower. Continue. Yes. Continue lower. Drop above there. Drop to the 5 sec. Oh, we are in the 5 second. I don't like that. Getting very, 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 very volatile in the liquid. We might get stopped out here. Looks like we're about to be. Yeah. Good for it. Hi, Fizzler. Just got stopped on a trail just from volatility because NY is about to start. So that was like a plus 0.5 R or some shit. Around there. Yeah, about 0.5. Just redraw everything. Thing is, I would be down for a re-entry here, but we're too close to NY open. I can't chance it. So I'm just gonna have this drawn out now. NY open in 30 seconds right now. I wonder what goes in. Ever since that dump. Not much. Not surprising. New York Open is now here. I don't mind a short 3 here if it can hold. Let's just draw it off for now. That's fine. I just want to draw it off for now. Doesn't stop too. Well, that's fine. I wouldn't be able to reach it anyways. Too fast. Ooh, what a push. I still don't believe in it. Start breaking down here, that'd be nice. I like that. Oh fuck, I did not mean to click that button. Well, I did not mean to drag is what I meant. I'd like to see a breakdown here now. I don't believe in this long at all. It looks so fucking fake to me. I am still a shorter believer. Just action does not support the idea of just a long push. I want to see a better, yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm down for this. Can't troll yet. Now I can. I want to see it reject from here. I want a strong candle close lower. Nah, that's not what I wanted. I needed to reject under here immediately. Yeah, that's fine. Minus 100, not down. I'm still down technically 1 hour for the day because of that trade from earlier, so whatever. I don't mind it. It probably still plays out though if I just didn't do anything, but that'd be too risky. Man, that was really promising. If I was at 2R, I would. If I did 2 minis, I would have done it. I'm still not a believer in the longs though. Longs are not in play yet by any stretch of the imagination. Yeah, no, I don't believe it. Probably gonna retry for a short soon. Yeah, I'm gonna retry for a short once it starts breaking down again. Let's get this set up. Yeah, this is prime fucking shit liquidity that's being formed right now. Just a matter of time. You mean highs? Yeah, I'm down for this fucking breakdown. This is actually real nice. I fuck with this. It might stop me out, not gonna lie, because my stop is not where I want it to be. But I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I'm gonna leave it alone. Otherwise, if I do, I'm gonna just break my rules. Oh, my stop wasn't even correct to begin with. Whatever. All good. Minus 2R. We chillin'. I say my idea still applies. I don't believe in the longs. I'm just waiting to see when it finally starts once the breakdown. Tapped into supply over here in the form of these two candles, so see what it does right here. But I still do like the shorts. Just a matter of when. Not much. We just chill in here. Currently minus 2R, but it's no biggie. Minus 2R is not the death of me. ES is just rejecting. RTY, YM's down. Yeah, it's just a matter of time before these two follow, probably. On minus 2. It's fine. Yes, trying to push back up. Yeah. For one more time. It sets up again because it broke higher. Just gonna wait. If you're wondering why I'm not looking for longs at all, just overall price action does not support longs. Sure, it accumulated into quote-unquote MB1 into what's possibly MB2 soon, but overall structure does not support the idea to me that we're even going to relatively push up any further. At least not right now. I just look at this and it's just like, whatever. Very shitty push up as well. Like, yeah, it went up 606, but it was very dog shit. Meanwhile, to me, in my opinion, it does not fit the idea of long by any stretch of the imagination. So that's just what I see personally. Try this again. Why not? Nah. It's way too weak still. Unfortunate. Oh well. Are we in? Yeah, I'm in. And then a -1. Unfortunate. I don't mind. Oh fuck. Nah. Nah. I'm looking at this and I'm just like, I don't know. For me, it's just a waiting game for now until I see what I want to see. I still want to see shorts. I'm only bearish on this right now. It's just rejecting. Just a matter of when. Imagine this was... Imagine this upcoming 15-second pause was the setup between here and whatever happens now. Let's say example right here. That'd be crazy. Either way, these accounts are evaluation accounts, so I don't really care. I'm redoing some funded next bolts accounts. Do it again. Because I finished my prior sets and I can do it again. And these are funded next bolt evaluation accounts. So I was like, fuck it. I don't really care about them anyways. If it passes, it passes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Doesn't affect me one bit. Holy fucking annoying from my bank. It is so pissed off. Wouldn't you sell this low? No. There's no reason to. I don't got anything to do right now, to be honest with you. All my accounts are done. I'm just working on some funded next bolts accounts. And right now there's nothing. So I can maybe find a trade through here, but I just don't like it. In this current state, I just don't like it at the moment. Meh. Looks pretty horrid to me. Possible entry through here. If he's still. It's a liquid, and what this tells me is we're probably going to get range bound right now, and I do not want to trade in a range bound market. Yeah, this goes though. I didn't take a trade, but we'll see how this goes. I am tired. Yeah. Like I said, this just feels like a range bound market to me. No, looks like this might have been the trade to have taken. Went for it. Yeah, surprisingly, it actually moved pretty decent, but I'm just not huge on it. Personally. Is it gonna TP? I wicked it.
There's something I need to confess. She was secretly rehearsing her death every night.
Very close. Couple ticks.
But pretended not to. Maybe I just wasn't as desperate for her. I know my love was different from yours, but it was love too. Who could really blame me?
Oh, there we go. It would have been TP'd. Interesting.
You'd seen the look on her face too. You wouldn't be able to judge me either. Twilight falls, and its wings, they would gently embrace us. Beating hearts, blooming up into beautiful flowers. With the wind to the end of the galaxy, gliding through time. As long as I go with you, it's my love. You've been running away from the very beginning. Not once did you ever face your real feelings. Did clinging to some noble cause or sense of justice ever really fix
I'm just on my
anything?
phone right now. If anyone's curious, I'm just on my phone waiting. I got nothing to do right now.
Meaningless death.
All this is just
And even if we've been
sit out and wait for me.
still have felt alone. Because humans
I'm thinking about if I want to log into my Tradeifys and just trade from there. It's pretty enticing, I can't lie.
love
The
without
opportunity.
surviving. Twilight falls, and its wings, they would gently embrace us. Beating hearts, blooming up into beautiful flowers.
Ross taking the long year? Zero clue. Zero clue. Curious about something? I've been telling you, I don't believe in the shorts. I mean longs. I've only been short. Nothing about this structure ever said it wanted to go long. I was able to tell just by simply looking at it. Anyone who tries to long this, in my opinion, is pretty dumb. Not literally, obviously. I don't mean it like in a literal sense. Block candle in the poof? No, it just doesn't look long to me. That's all it is. It just doesn't look long. Even before ignoring all this, I was already able to tell it just does not look long to me. Any kind of push up would be fake. I've been calling it. I tried shorting from here. Technically, my idea was right. It just wasn't the right time. Fortunate. I can't predict that. But, meh. Why is this shit tweaking though? I'm looking at something right now and for whatever reason it's tweaking the fuck out. What gives it away for you? Like, what are you looking at coming up with those arguments? It just doesn't look like it. That's literally my only answer. I just look at price action, just does not look long. Nothing about it tells me it wants to go higher. That's literally the only explanation I can give you. It's discretionary in that regard. I just look at it and it's just like, man, not really to me. If it goes up, cool, but don't look like it to me, you know? I just been consistently talking about how it just looks like shit liquidity this entire time. Shitquidity. That's all it looks like. It just looks like it to me, and I'm just like, it probably takes it, but it's not gonna go any really higher to begin with. Cool, it went up this many ticks, and it just as quickly went down that many ticks. So, and it's even going lower. Izzler, let me put this to you in the easy way. Remember when I told you don't overcomplicate my system? I mean that sincerely, simply because my system does not go as exaggerated as you're making it out to be. I just trade what looks appropriate to me. That's why it's discretionary. My system and how I trade in particular is discretionary in that regard. I look at it, it just doesn't look long to me. Like in the nicest way possible. It's not S&D, MA, no. I've said before, I don't even look at the MAs, dude. It just doesn't look long to me. It doesn't need to make sense. It's just how it is, I'm sorry. It just looks bearish. How's your account going, Ross? If I had to predict the long, it'd probably just start going along from around this area. Price will probably struggle to go past... What the fuck? Am I clicking the wrong thing? Yeah, it's this thing. It'd probably come back down to this area and begin trying to push up from there. It'll probably be a struggle, but I think that box right there is where price will begin to start reacting more. And try to push up. IV is 15 minute and it just went through accumulation. I'm short now. Maybe. Maybe V's 15 minute. Yeah, I see why you said that. I'm up to K. Nice. Alright, thanks. My turn's behind 10 minutes. We'll look. I'm expecting a bounce from this area if it does happen. I think I'm gonna trade my Tradefies actually. I see an opportunity for a long soon. So I'll probably take it soon once it starts setting up. Get my trade copier set up for this. Shit. Bye. Profitability. Take that. Take this. Give me a second, guys. Let me hide my screen really quick so I can log in. I don't want to, like, you know, leak my fucking password. So yeah, give me a second. Nice. Okay. Go. Enable all accounts. Cockpit. Actually, hold on. Okay. There we go. Okay. Just fix this. Yeah, I'm looking for a long here. I view opportunities for long now. Find this, honestly. This into a possible long back up to this general area up here. Up here, stop low here. That's how I'd probably framework it. How would I draw this out? Thinking about it now. Like that. Into. Probably something along the lines of this. It's iffy though. But I can see bullish potential here. No, I don't want to delete that. I just want to delete this. And I also want to go for these lows, which I could see it happening. But I don't think it's going to do that in this day, at the very least. Honestly. Crazy part is, I don't mind that. Just waiting for the right timing. My email's going crazy. Yeah, I'm cool with this. I don't care that it waked it. It's fine by me. If it taps me out, but it's no biggie. This account's already up 3R anyways for the day, so a minus whatever here is not going to really change that. I'm just basically going for another 3R for shits and giggles. This time. Yeah, it probably stops here. That's whatever. I'm just going to draw here so it looks nicer. Just for the sake of my own eyes, otherwise my brain gets all mad about it. Nice. I can start trailing a bit. Beautiful. I control under here. Beautiful. Control under here now. Yeah, I would expect this to become weakness. Honestly, not even mad if it does stop me out. If I can get another candle close above, that'd be nice. And I can control under this candle right here. But it needs to close above here. That's okay. No biggie. I saw the potential. How much did I make there? I made $687. Retrain the pullback? Not really. I just expected longs from here. And I still believe in the longs. I just looked at price action. I was like, it dropped enough. I expected to just kind of come back. Yeah, I guess you can say it's kind of a pullback trade. I just kind of looked at it and was like, it went down enough. I think it goes long from here. And I just took a DMB. Here's the thing. My system, there is a proper way to trade it, and it's the way I tell you guys to trade it, which is how I explain it via videos. But when I see trades and how I see the charts, it's vastly different from how I explain it because it's just accustomed to how I want to build my system for my own eyes. So everything you're seeing here is based off my own eyes. As you can see here, it's still technically working out. If I just had pure break even, it would have been what looks to be TP in a couple seconds. Everything is just built off my own eyes and what I want to see. And it would have been a TP. I would have had $3,600 right here. Unfortunate, but it's whatever. It's no biggie. I'm not going to cry over it. I still want to go for that 3,600 though. Sounds like a fun challenge. Yeah, it's just how I adjusted my eyes. It's why I can say, like, it just doesn't look like it wants to go higher. I mean, higher from here. And guess what? It didn't really want to go higher, and it just dumped. And it's like right here, it's like, oh, it looks like it wants to go higher here. And guess what? It started pulling back. It's just how I adjusted now. It's just how I see the market. It's less about, oh, technicalities and all these things. It just doesn't look like it to me. Sorry if I sound like I'm just so, like, negative or something. I'm just really fucking tired, guys. I have not slept all night for context. I've been awake for almost 24 hours now. Maybe more than 24 hours, actually. I'm just fucking tired. Yeah. healthy, bro. Yeah, but it's all good. I had fun though. Yeah, I was with some friends. I don't like the lungs anymore. Lungs don't look fun anymore. I don't actually want to trade this. I'm just drawing it out. I want to visualize how it'll look. Yeah, okay, I'm down. Oh, whoops, it didn't even let me trade it. Unfortunate. Could still work. Don't like this. Too much of a big stop. I could 1 second refine this easily. Yeah, I'm down for that. Assuming it can hold. It could not hold, but I'll leave the entry there for now. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to refine that. That's unfortunate, but that's okay. If it stops out, it stops out. It's whatever in that regard. And then it goes like that. And then this is... I really gotta fix that because I don't actually know what my true TP is. Oh, it's that. Right there. Nice. I'm down to troll just right here. Just lessen the risk a tad bit. If I can get another candle closed below this candle, I'd be down to troll above here. Nah. All good. Basically, that previous trade paid for the loss here. It's whatever. I didn't mind it. Opportunity was there. If only it was up here. -1 for you. Unfortunate. It's basically break even for me at the moment. I've lost a whopping... According to this, these trades lost a whopping $19. Big whoop. It's so choppy. I don't like it for now. Gold could set up lower, but it's... I find it weird how it moved and I don't trust it. If nothing sets up soon, I'm probably just going to leave it at a basically +3R for now. I do like this though. It is an interesting trade. This could be very interesting. I could see a very bearish fucking move happening from here. Could refine my stop up to here. Or down to there correctly. See if it actually goes. Oh, guess it doesn't want to go yet. On 4, -1. Okay, I'm officially -1 now. If you're curious about the trade, remember, these are 150k accounts. I risk like $750 per account, around there, that ballpark generally. And well, if we do this and this, it's 735. So yeah, it's -1 for me. If you're curious. Yeah. I'm down for this. I actually like that a lot. It looks really nice. I'll force the trade. I don't care. Damn, it didn't even want me to force it. That's funny. I really want it to look perfect though. We'll just force it to that. As you can probably tell, I spend more time just staring at like fixing this in actual price. I just don't care about it. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. If it stops out, it stops out. It's whatever. Yeah, it's whatever. Plus 470 again. So back and forth with this shit. That's the realities of trading, I guess, though. 470.88. I just really want that one target. Why? It just sounds fun to me. I cannot lie. Well, the amount of changes is quite large. And I caught a nice trade here. If only continued before it reversed. Took 2 losses in that. Going to have to be careful. Low than 2k drawdown. Yeah, be careful, dude. Don't do what I do. I trade based off what I see. Obviously, for me, it's quote unquote working, but don't try to do what I do. Please, for the love of everything, I mean it sincerely. Please don't try to do what I do, obviously. I trade based off what I see and what I understand based off my own knowledge. So, yeah. I just want you to, like, you know, I want to make sure you're okay at the end of the day. Down. Oh, my eyes are so, like, tired. Fuck me. I feel them, like, getting droopy. Yeah, that's correct. Gotcha. If it's your system, then yeah, that's chill. I want to move my stop there. I don't like how it's rejecting. Plus, either way, it was valid based off how price moved, but still. Yeah. Back to break even, guys. Oh my gosh. This is just my day. This is my day. These seconds charts are crazy. Nah. I'm basically taking any setup that looks even remotely decent. Not setups that are like picture perfect. Because I'm not that strict when it comes to entries. I just trade whatever has a decent probability, if that makes sense. Like right here, if I look at from here, this has a decent probability of working, and I don't mind this trade. I would take this. And I will take this. I will not take this anymore because it canceled me out and it just went back up. But it still has a decent probability of coming back down and continuing lower. It's just a matter of when. That's all I'm waiting for. It's just the win. I hate it when it does this shit because it doesn't tell me much. It looks iffy. The thing is, I want to start seeing these candles start closing up a lot. It's right now it's in a position where I just can't really trade it properly. But the thing is, ES is nope. ES is not really much better. YM not much better. This is not much better. There's just a lot of bullshit happening. I kind of want to see it take these lows first and then set up before I do anything else. So my entry would probably be more like right here in reality. I just needed to see it take the lows. What a push. I think it drops from here. I can't lie. This looks like it wants to drop from here. I think it wants to drop from here. It looks like it. Like, yeah, I did that. Whatever. It's a fucking 5-second chart, but overall, it just looks like it wants to drop from here to me. Honestly, I'm kind of down to short this soon if it starts presenting it. Like, even this can be a crazy sniper fucking short if you took it. Obviously you don't, but still. It's not even a double MB. It's just a literal first MB. Like, yeah, I can see it just drop from me. It's just one. Like, dude, 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 dude. That's how I'm picturing it. And maybe I'll try taking like this one right here as an example. Waiting for a dub here, and I'm just break even. Oh, DMB. Makes sense. Push tire, that's whatever. I wonder if it just taps back into the supply here. I wouldn't be surprised if it did, to be honest. Taps back into supply, starts breaking down from there. Could be a possibility. Pretty nice strong candle push up though. These were some healthy candles. Just waiting. Ooh, actually. Don't mind if I do for an entry around. Yeah, we're nearing supply, which I actually really like. Start tapping into it, breaking down from there. That'd be mint. Mint. Honestly, I just kind of want to see it wick it and then just drop. But I want to doesn't though. I wanted to take this. I'm not gonna lie, my brain just lagged. My brain honestly just lagged when I saw it. I was like, do I click it? And I was like, yeah, maybe. It's okay. 15 seconds right here, and it's a lot more stronger compared to the 5 second anyways. Even though the 5 second I do think was a better entry. Yeah, was. Like another candle close lower. Whatever for now. We can start breaking lower. I'd love to trail above here. And it's rejecting. I want to see another candle close below here. Not wick. Yeah, like that. Do that. Remove half risk. Beautiful. I want to see it break lower. I need to see a candle close below here. I cannot do anything with it just dicking around like that. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. What I wanted to see. Absolutely fucking beautiful. Yeah, I can drill to here. If it comes back for it, it comes back for it, but that's beautiful. Yeah, it's whatever. Plus $1,000. 1,096. Nice. Beautiful. Precarious. This was the result of that trade. 1,096 times 5. So I'm currently in profit plus 1,100. We're just going to round it up for simplicity's sake. But I'm still very determined to hit that number. Ooh, what if it had TP'd if I just left it alone? Curious. Looks like it would have. Honestly, after I saw these candles happen, I was very convinced this would hold very strongly. Unfortunately, it didn't. It just came back and then whoop, and then whoop. It's whatever. No biggie. The new target's 25. Be that target. Not much more to go if I want to just randomly hit this target. So. Yeah, fuck it. If we can get it kind of close lower, I can troll above here and reduce risk by a lot. I need to see it kind of close lower though. Uh-oh. Nice. Bro. Honestly, that is weakening way more than I'd like. Like, just weakening in general. That I do not really want to participate in this trade anymore. I need to see this close below. Yeah, I can start reducing risk a bit more. It could still go lower, but the way these candles are forming, it's very fucking bad. This is heavy indecisiveness. Yeah, not surprised. That was extreme indecisiveness. My fucking brain was alerting me the second I saw these candles form. Oh no, it just hits again. All good. 2790. I still really want that target. Sure. See the new one. Entry would be here. That's honestly a better entry, to be honest. I want to see a kind of closed door. Go lower. Lower. Now you gotta do this. Yeah, that's fine. I needed to break lower here. I needed to find weakness. If it doesn't start finding the weakness like ASAP, then I don't know. I'm not liking it though, otherwise. Nice. Beautiful. Can we get another burst lower though? How many ticks is even to this? Can we get another 100 ticks lower? Oh, nice. I made $100. Hooray. So it just reduces it again from that to what the fuck? That's annoying. Stay where you are. Yeah, something along the lines of this. Yeah, right there. And then, I don't know. To me, it's still possible to go short. It wiped all this shit right here. But I still want to see a bit more confirmation, I can't lie. This was technically valid, but I wanted to see a better confirmation. And this is a way better confirmation candle than anything else that formed earlier. I could see a trade happening here. This is not bad. Well, it was not bad. And then it went higher. So now we wait. It's building a nice trend line though. I don't mind this. If it can start breaking lower. Trend line break here, I can see it just instantly bursting lower. I can't trade this. That's not tradable action. Yeah, that's not tradable action. We just gotta wait. Something right here would be nice. Still within valid action. If we can get a pause here. This is still valid. It's not valid anymore. Yeah, no entry. Unfortunate. This could have been the one, possibly, but I just didn't like it. I was just gonna keep it there, just to draw out to see how it goes. Yeah. Honestly, pretty happy I did that. Nice, good shit. So are you back up or are you still like in a negative amount? Yeah, that makes sense. That would have been a good entry. I was paying attention. I was in the chat. Oh, I mean, I'll just force it. Oh. Didn't let me. Unfort. I wanted to try that. So 1K into trading. Gotcha. I don't mind that action right there. That is mildly annoying that I missed this though. I wasn't paying attention. Still valid, technically. Still. Yeah, this trade probably would have worked out, huh? I was waiting for this too. Could take this, but it's too low. I'm gonna do something that... Actually, no, I'm not gonna do it. Actually, I will do it. I will do it. Ah. Yeah. Honestly, I do not know where the fuck my stop went. I guess my stop's all the way up there. Why? I don't fucking know why. But I guess that's my stop. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna fix my shit. Oh, no, that's already correct. Honestly, I'd like to be able to move my stop, but I just can't. It's just not giving me the fucking rejection I'm looking for. It's throwing me into a loop of where it just wants to burst lower and then it just comes back. The right trail would have been above here. Considering I do usually go by the last two candles, so it's stupid by me to trail the way I did, but at the same time, it's whatever. I think my trail was actually better in hindsight. I legitimately think my trail was better in hindsight. So. Checks that. Well, actually removes quite a bit. So let's fix our stop, because my stop was never supposed to be that large to begin with. It's crazy because I would have reached my target like 5 times already if Bryce just stopped messing around like that. By messing around like that, I mean like, zoop, and then boom, and then boom, you know what I mean? It just kept like screwing me around. Each entry I had, like I think I entered here and it did me wrong like this again, and then I entered like somewhere over here, and then did me the wrong again. At this point, it makes me want to go like a bit higher in the contracts, but that makes it more expensive, and it's just not worth it. It's simply not worth it. Ooh, I don't mind an entry through here though if it presents. That's fine. No, we're just leave it there and defend for now. Yeah. Oh, it was like a perfect entry, what? Or the perfect, like, no slippage, if that makes sense, entry. Was this correct? Did I say that correctly? I did. Oh no, we got stopped. We're still up money. Wow. I didn't mind it though. I saw the possibility. Choop, 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 boom. But it didn't go. I don't like what it's doing. No, TikTok. Ooh. Darn his setups. The entry would have been through here. Unfortunate. I was not paying attention. Oh well. It just will not let me have it. Oh well. Yeah, even up here, that would have been a very nice entry, but I was not paying attention for the life of me. But it's also just doing its bullshit, just back and forth, back and forth. I wonder if it's worth taking a 1 second one. I don't think it is, in all honesty. Even through here, it's iffy. Yeah. That's nice. That's really fucking nice. If it can go, that is. Makes me want to go an extra contract. Oh, well, so much for that. If it goes. Honestly, I would have made more money by simply not trailing than I would trailing. Name of the game, though. Ooh, that's a nice 1 minute, though. This looks about ready to burst lower if it can find its momentum. Or 5 minutes, sorry, but same thing. Nah, it just failed. Now I'm minus $100. Oh no. How much does it even cost to do 5? Honestly, I have not been keeping up with these kinds of trades. So that's how much it costs. I definitely need an extra tick though if I were to do this shit. 150 ticks. That even given me anything if I... It wouldn't have even given me what I wanted. I'll go for it anyways, because fuck it. Either way, this falls within parameters. Almost. You can definitely find a trade. Along the lines of that, into that. Yeah, I don't mind that. And that. And yeah. And just reduce risk. And now it's pretty much whatever. Yeah, I'll just do that. It should just drop from here. From how it looks like it just wants to drop, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Wow. I was about to drop it. I need to see it drop from here. Yeah. That's whatever. Nasdaq is sending me into a back and forth ranged loop. I bet. Yep, we're just in a 1 minute range, and I'm just catching the tops and bottoms. I'm being thrown around in a circle for it. Oh my gosh, typical Nasdaq, typical. It's whatever though. I'm having fun with it. For better or for worse. Ranges are fun to trade at times. How you doing, Russ? Ooh. Break the range. Proceed lower. Is that what I'm seeing? Hope not. Didn't take anything in the right range. I did. The amount of times I could have just been done with my goal, and it's not even because of it's anything in particular. I just want to hit that number because it just sounds funny to me. I could have hit it like 20 different times with the amount of times I caught the top, but then I just get screwed around with this kind of like back and forth. Kind of silly, but it's okay. I'm just having fun with it. I'm not sure if it's noticeable, but I'm having fun. I'm just not taking this seriously. Because hooray, why take it serious, you know? It's a waste of energy for me if I take it too serious. Maybe. I do like that it broke the range now, and I want to see it break lower from here. Now that it broke it. This entire range right here just finally got broken. I want to see something happen from here. I actually don't mind this trade, which is crazy. Refine it even more to here. Probably end up working, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just waiting for price action to show me what I want. It could do something here. I know it wants a drop, but when? Depending on this pause, no pause. Depending on the next pause. I do like that. I do like how it's forming. Yeah, I like how it's forming. Could still potentially be valid if we can continue breaking lower from here. Iffy. Can we break any bit lower? Has potential still. It's weakening. No, fine. I'm just gonna have the trade order back up so I can just quickly click it whenever I'm ready. Oh well. Look at this trade. That's not right. Oh, I know why. I wonder where it taps back into this area of supply right here. It does. Just a waiting game for now. I got nothing. I'm down to short this. Uh-oh, it rejected. Yeah, tap back in. The second I saw this rejection, I was like, yeah, this shit's coming back. Oh no, I'm minus 0.5 R now. Whatever shall I do? I'll just trade again. Because that's what I always do. So I am getting kind of annoyed that Nasdaq is not wanting to just move already. In the way that I'm wanting to, at least. Wanting it to move. Getting a tad annoying now. Because I know it wants to. Yeah. That's some bullshit if it continues lower. But it's not the worst. It's just difficult without finding a insane refinement entry. Even that's rough. Yeah. The fuck? The amount of notifications I keep getting on my texts. Crazy. Oh wow, what an instant loss. And that was slipped. That loss, I got slipped on that loss. Wow. That was a very illiquid fucking move if it slipped me that much. Oh well. Back at it again. Because, oh, whatever. That was a big slip in hindsight. What the fuck? Actually adds quite a bit. Depending on how it starts forming now, I might just call it. Because at this right now, it's just not moving in the way I want. And honestly, I just want to sleep. I feel delulu. -1 for you. Unfortunate. But yeah, I'm starting to feel delulu. Nah, it's all chill. I still got a couple trades in me. I still like the short. If we can hold it. Even though it wicked it, it's still valid for me. I'm just waiting for it to just do its thing. I just want it to go. Like, notice how much is just fighting back. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. Unfort. I'm still plus 1 hour on the day. Overall on the accounts. But yeah. It's whatever. It's just too fucking ugly. Blech. Blech. There's not a clear move. What about Nasdaq and gold, or gold and silver? Nothing yet. Not surprised. Is it basically forcing trades what I'm doing right now? Yeah. Do I entirely care? Not really. Prop accounts are just games to me. Anything I make is just extra at this point. Go for it. Oh, I actually would like that. So technically the new target would be this. There. Damn, it's actually getting deeper and deeper. Honestly, all things considered, Nasdaq made a really nice move today. 1,400 ticks. That's a lot more than I thought it actually did today, to be honest with you. Not bad, Nasdaq. Not bad. My short up here was quite the fucking call. That would have been insane perfectly. That would have been a perfect short. Unfortunately, I didn't take it. getting very wiki. I'm gonna cancel that. Imagine I just did this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that crazy. Crazy thing is, I'm just looking for a short. I'm just waiting for that one move, but it's just a matter of when NASDAQ decides to give it. It broke trend finally. It wiped all this shit out. But is it ready to go is my question. That's just all I want to know. Is it ready? Has all this shit it could wipe out, but I could still find a refinement through here, but not showing anything yet. How many ticks is it even ranging by? 120? Yeah, so I'd have to get below here. Even consider a 1 second DMB. So basically this would be a 1 second DMB right here. But it's starting to break higher. Yeah. And another one right here. Like, I just don't know what to tell you, dude. I don't know what to tell you. At this point, quite literally full porting all my available minis on this account would net me so much fucking money each time. It's not even funny, aside from those 2 -1s, but overall, just from the amount of times I've gone this, into back to this, into this, and all this shit, it's kind of crazy. It would have netted me so much. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna call it there. I'm just like fucking bored of this shit. I'm not gonna lie. It was fun at first, and now it's just kind of like, why? But I'm gonna just go to the stream here. Bye bye, you all. Bye bye, bye bye.